Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can easily set an alarm clock on your iPhone. Friends, please subscribe to our channel. Be sure to put likes under the video, write your comments, and let's get started. So, first of all, friends, you will need to find the time on your iPhone. If you can't find this option on your work screen, then you're gonna have to swipe down from the top of the screen and just type the word time into the search box. And you will have this application appear. You will definitely find it because it's a factory iPhone app. Click on it to open it, and then go to the alarm clock section at the bottom. After that, you will need to set a new alarm clock. At the top, click on the plus sign. Now you can choose the time. To do this, scroll through the row with the time, with the hours and with the minutes. After that, you can choose a specific ringtone for yourself. And also, you will be able to choose the days on which this alarm clock will repeat. For example, every Monday, every Tuesday, and so on. After that, in order to save the alarm clock, click Save at the top, and the alarm will be active. This is the simple way, friends, you will be able to set alarm clock on your iPhone. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Write already comments, put your likes. Bye-bye.